What's up, Chris Invaders? Welcome back to another video, and this isn't your ordinary video. This is the gritty battle versus the biggest hater and Chris Owen. You may know the biggest hater as a hater who hates on all of our videos, calling us fake, sus, troll-filled. He's clearly wrong, but we're here to end the beef with one final video. Who is better? Who is real? And who is fake? You get to decide. The winner of the gritty battle has to admit the other is right. Those are the stakes. Only the viewers get to decide. No Chris Invaders and no biggest hater. He doesn't get to decide, neither do us. It's only you guys. Alright? You got that? In this video, we'll show you both gritties, Chris Owens and the biggest haters, and you comment which one is better. In about a week, we'll tally up the results. Enjoy the gritties.
Hello, all of you Chris Invaders fans, or should I just call you the sus invaders? Because that's what you are. You're sus, fake, and troll-filled. I'm gonna win this gritty battle. Because I'm real.
Right foot creep, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you. Catch them bad, walk down, face them with that heater. The devil under your feet, you're on your way to see me. Right foot creep, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you. Catch them bad, walk down, face them with that heater. The devil under your feet.
Real, not fake, real.
Right foot creep, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you.
This is called the winning gritty.
I say right foot creep, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you. Catch them bad, walk down, face them with that heater. The devil under your feet, you're on your way to see him.
I just won.
I said right foot creep, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see ya. Catch a bad, walk down, face him with that heater. The devil under your feet, you're on the way to see him. Got my thug shaker brother shaking ass to my muse. Yeah, you can call me blue, walked in the room and I was